the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting
Hello, my crafty creators. I know I sound bad. I'm getting a cold or something. I know it's not COVID though. Oops, I didn't mean to say the C word, but I know that's not the problem. I took a test, so anyway, let's go ahead and take this loose. All right, I wanted to have it loose, you know, and everything, but I just didn't feel good, so I remained in bed. And so yeah, this is the outcome. Sorry, it's not the greatest outcome. Oh, do I like that side? No, I don't really like that side. I don't know. This came out when I did this one. I thought everything was gonna do exactly as that one did, but it didn't. And so it's like, gosh, why, what happened? What happened, friend? And I don't know, but anyway, it still turned out, you know, if you want and ready for the fall colors, then that's what you got. So, but I'm gonna redo it. What's going on? What in the world? My goodness. Stay there, friend. Stay right there. Just for the, you know, for this video right here. We're going to get back into bed. My husband bringing me some medicine and juice and stuff. Because when I went to bed last night, I was like, oh, something don't seem right. I said, feel like I'm getting a cold or something. But let's see that's kind of cute. It's okay, you know. It's not the best, but it's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Let's get this. This is fine too. I don't know which side. Like, which side would you keep it on? This is the back. That's the front. I don't know. I don't know which side. Excuse me. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, it looked like it could be out in the field, and you know, you see parts of the yellow and the brown. I think maybe instead of the peach, I should have put a little bit of green. So that's what I'm gonna do the next time. I'm gonna add a little green and have less of the outside area. I don't want it to be too full, but that looks nice too. Okay, it looks nice. I'm not gonna complain about it, because that's what I usually do, complain. It did not turn out the way I wanted it, but give me 1 second. But it still turned out, so I've got to be thankful for that. Just because in my eyes it looks a little wonky, you know. It's not necessarily means that it's totally ugly. Now I do believe some gold trimming would look good, but I need y'all to tell me whether it would be good on this side or on this side. You know, the gold splash, it's not giving what I wanted it to give, but I got another try. I'm gonna try again. Let me take you down for a minute. I know. Don't judge me right now. But you see how it is. It is neat and different. You know, it is a different piece of work, you know. Yeah, I totally think that the peach need to be green, maybe. Like the green paramorphite, because it's loud enough to bring those other colors out some more. So we'll do it tomorrow. But as of right now, friend, I'm going to get back in my bed. Oh, I got to show you the little piece that I threw everything in. Okay. You see the tree of life. You can see better like that because you can't see with the mixture color. You know, this one was the first one I did. But yeah, that one I did. Voila. Voila. Alright, y'all. Oh, y'all be good. Alright. Gotta take this all off because I don't want it to stick together. And I'm gonna release this part of the video, you know, so you all have something to see. I know I just sent one, but this one was just a demo process and to let you see that, you know, hey, it's done, but I felt kind of bad and I didn't want to go outside, but I made myself get up and do it anyway. So I love you guys. Say something positive and be positive, and I'll see you later. I love you all. Bye bye for now.